Hey folks, so here back with another video, and today guys, I am going to be doing something really special. So basically, I was looking on the news, and I was thinking, what to do, and then I was like, hey, Twists and Turns has come out, so why not do that? So we are going to be playing Twists and Turns today, and it's going to be really cool, since I've got a new laptop for this, but yeah, so here we have. This maze is full of lots of twists, turns, and dead ends, but it's also full of treasure. Good luck! So we are going to be finding our way around this maze. Me going to be thinking about... Well, I don't really know what I'm going to be thinking about, guys. I'm just going to be talking about stuff. So during this half term, I am just going to be uploading, like, stuff. Like Animal Jam videos. The reason why there's been so many gaps between my videos is mainly because that, well, I haven't got the time to upload because I've got so much homework to do, and it's all making me really full on, and it's really annoying. So I haven't got the time to upload. Well, let's just see what this is really quick. Left is definitely the way to go, or is it right? Now, Animal Jam, I know you like to fool us around, but this rhino or this tiger keeps on saying over here, so I am just going to go where I think over here is. So, better get my shoes on, oh my god, I don't know where I'm going. Twists and Turns is such a puzzling adventure, you know. It's probably why barely anyone does it. It's probably why there's not anyone here, because it's so annoying. It's like, you could be near the end. You might think you're near the end, but then you just end up at the beginning again. It gets so annoying. Because I remember when I first joined Animal Jam, I played this adventure, and I got so lost. Yeah. So we have this way, or that way, which is which. Now this is just making Twists and Turns even more of the puzzling, so... I don't... Ooh! Let's see, what we get. Oh, okay. We, getting some good stuff here, guys. Seems like we're getting some luck. Yeah, just go around here. Nope, that's a dead end. It should be called Deads and End, not Twists and Turns. But then I guess that's like not a child's name, Dead and Ends. It's like a devil's game. Yeah, we're doing this pretty cool. This is pretty cool. What does it say? Are you going the right way? I don't know, Animal Jam. Am I going the right way? I don't know. But yeah, I just thought about doing Twists and Turns because I don't normally do adventures on my, how do you get there? I don't normally do adventures on my YouTube channel. And I was like, hey, do you know what I haven't done in a while? An adventure. Well, I haven't even done an adventure since my channel's been. So I decided, hey, why not? Why let's not do an adventure? Because I barely do adventures. So yeah, probably because the last laptop I had was really laggy. So I thought, oh, the adventure's just gonna get more laggy with the amount of people that are there. So I thought, you know what? Until I get a new computer, yeah. But yeah, I am lost. I mean, I found my way back, but then I wasn't concentrating, and the help that Animal Jam gives is really bad. It's just like, oh, okay, I'm back to the beginning of here. That's cool, but yeah, I guess we're doing pretty good. So just gonna, okay. I'm gonna go around here. I don't know where to go because I'm so bad at this. If we go around here and then boom, nope, I'm in a dead end. Come on, these are animals. Why can't they just go through the hay like they're animals? Nope, that's a dead end. God, I'm just so not. Like, I am not prepared for this by a million times. Like, I found here, but where do I go to get there? Oh my god. Yay! I got through there. That was a twist. Probably. Or a turn. I don't know. But yeah. That was probably, most people have done that. So this is actually really annoying. I have just been going around in a circle for probably about 5 minutes now. Ooh. But yeah, probably just, wait, I didn't know that key was right. So I must be going somewhere. Well, that bunny just came this way. Does that mean there's a dead end here? Oh my god, that's so annoying. This kangaroo passage. That is so annoying. I don't know why I felt to write that. That is so annoying. Haven't you already seen this sign before? No, Jam, I haven't. So, try to fool me. Guess what? Oh, yes, I found my way out. Leaf lamp. Oh. And labyrinth treasures. Okay, sorry about that. I had to go do something, but, yeah, I found my way out of that maze. Now I need to find my way out of this maze, which is going to be really... Ooh, Adam Jam's trying to get into the Christmas theme. Guess what, Adam Jam? It's just finished. The grot cab. Go into your Oroy's A. What the hell? I know they're writing backwards, but I literally had no clue what they were just saying. And so if you can't really hear me well in this audio, it's because this computer just needs to get used to it, and you'll be able to hear me clearly. I found a red chest, but I have a green key, so I can't unlock it. That's annoying. It's a word scramble. You just figured that out? What's the matter? You're not lost, are you? I am lost. Help me, I'm dying. God, if you were stuck in here forever, you'd just be like, kill me. Imagine if someone was determined to not leave this adventure until they had unlocked all the chests and they had I don't know. I found the way to the end. Guys, I found my way. I found my way back to the end. I found my way back to the end. I'm so smart. I found my way back to the end. I am the best guy ever. You found your way. Incredible. I've heard that this maze changes often, so be sure to come back and try again. Animal Jam just probably says that to make more jammies come to this adventure. It's probably like, hey, I heard this changes every time. Oh my god, that means it's going to be easier. So everyone tries and does it, but then they didn't change, and they're like, hang on a minute, this didn't change. Adam Jam fooled us. But yeah, I'm just making my den much cooler than it already was. Leaf lamp. Let's put that there. Stay. Let's put that there. And then this treasure chest can go next to this turkey. And then, this is kind of green, so I'm just going to put this there. And then, I already have one of these though. You can buy this leaf ottoman, in store. But I guess it won't be the worst thing having two. So yeah, that's pretty much my den. My autumn den. Oh yeah, if you want to know where you get this, turkey, you go to your autumn small house and then just go up here and then you click on the turkey and then you can buy the inflatable turkey. Because Anna Jam likes to bring in secret items, throughout the whole, stuff. So I'm pretty sure it's going to wrap it up, for this adventure. I don't know. I really don't. I just like my autumn den. I'm so sad that my sister, oh, sorry guys. I'm so sad that my sister, if I can find her, I think she got on the Epic Den. I don't know. Oh, she didn't get on the epic stems, but she bragged to me that she did, so she lied to me. I can't believe she did that. Oh my god, I'm so low on gems. I need to buy some. How many diamonds do I have? I have 39. Wow, so much. I'm so rich. I'm like the richest gemmer alive. But yeah, guys, I think that's pretty much going to wrap it up for this video. I don't really know what to do anymore. Oh yeah, I'm changed. Autumn. It's no longer Halloween. Yay. Wait, just before I end this video, let's get one of these extravaganza. Wait, is that a glitch? Shouldn't it be down here? Animal Jam. I like to make my stuff brown. I don't know why. I just like brown stuff. No, because my favorite color is green. It's weird. I know, guys. I'm so weird. Oh, I might have that. That is so cool. Let's make mine shiny. Shiny! And now this guy will hatch in 3 days, and he will hatch on Monday, which I will probably upload another video, because that's also the Rare Item Monday, guys. Yes, I never forget my Rare Item Mondays. You should know me by now. You should know me by now, my fans, even though I barely have any subscribers. But yes, guys, that is pretty much going to wrap it up for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!